Fight for civil rights, let us unite even when it's wrong. Everybody know that we've been struggling for so long. Vision seen by a king, let freedom ring, and all of, and the sound of the hope that it bring. Malcolm X is next. I will never rest until I get the prejudice off my chest. If only I could tell my testimony to let you know that you are never lonely. A long time ago, we was a nation in separation and segregation, but we can never face intimidation. Now we rise and strategize just for me, just so I can know the meaning of, just so I can know the part meaning of free. I could have done that 2 days ago on Martin Luther King's birthday or whatever, but I know Black History Month is this month, next month. Black History Month. Peace out.